$1,200 up, 1,400 down. It's not so bad. Mostly ups at the end of the day. That sucks. Oh well. What's that? I don't know. Maybe 9 degrees? No, 14 degrees. It's gonna be nice and warm. And I'm off. It's been a while since I've been hiking before 9 in the morning, or 10. I think I started just before 8 this morning. Got a long day, I think. I think it's like 26 kilometers. So for this trail, I think that's a long day. I'm not sure how it's gonna go. It's tricky in the park because a lot of stuff is well maintained and you can go fast. And I get to start out on this dirt road, but there is some rough, slow-going, muddy terrain too. So just play it by ear. But I don't know, 26 kilometers. I'm sure I'll be there before supper time, depending on my breaks. That's the first of my 4 climbs of the day, and it was not bad. It was in the sun, so it was a little warm, but other than that, it was just sort of slow and steady. It wasn't too steep. I think maybe the last one of the day is the steep one. But I saw one other through hiker, but he was heading in the opposite direction. So chatted with him for a little bit about the trail and the conditions. It's looking promising going forward for both of us. So basically because there'll be more water. When he started, it was during the drought. But after that rain, there seems to be a lot of water around everywhere. So now I'm just going to start counting how many people I see once I'm in the park. So far I saw 2 bike packers yesterday and the one through hiker today. As I get closer to Cascapedia, I'd imagine I'll start seeing people. So my original plan for the park was like, I think a 26 kilometer day today, then a 16 kilometer day tomorrow to get into Cascapedia and do laundry and get a shower, and then like a 30 kilometer day to get into the Discovery Center and do laundry again, shower, restaurant, resupply, blah blah blah. But now I'm thinking I made a bad decision. I'm gonna see if I can alter it, because there is no laundry at Cascapedia. There's showers, but no laundry. So I'm thinking if I can get a hold of the park at some point and try to switch my Cascapedia reservation to like 9 kilometers further, that'll give me like a 25 kilometer day tomorrow-ish, 24, somewhere around there. And that'll knock the next day down to maybe 21. So I should be able to get into the visitor center earlier in the day, because where I'm staying in the campground, it's like 1.5 kilometers from the visitor center. So I gotta walk, the trail goes to the visitor center, then I have to walk back 1.5 kilometers to my campsite, clean up there, then walk 1.5 kilometers back to the restaurants, then 1 kilometer. It just adds a lot. So if it's already a 30 kilometer day, it's gonna be, probably 35 kilometers by the time I'm done everything. And that should be like the day with the best views too. So on one of these mountain peaks, I'm gonna see if I can get a hold of the park. I probably should have cell service, but it's a long weekend, so I don't know what the chances of switching any reservations are. So that's my next plan. Okay, grab some water, sit in the cabin, have a quick little snack, and then head on. I think I'm 9 kilometers in out of 26, and it's, 10:30 in the morning, so it's not too bad. Oh, it's 11 o'clock in the morning. A little worse, but still not bad. It, I don't know, shouldn't be a real late day, but we'll see. Depends on how hard it gets. I think my next climb is going to be up over that, I feel like. I've got a bit of service, so I'm trying to get a hold of CPAC to see if I can change my reservation. But I've been on hold for a bit, and I'm hoping it's not because they're on lunch. But I think I'll just stay on hold until I run out of service, see what happens. I don't want to really just sit around. On hold for 30 minutes, and as soon as somebody answered the phone, I lost service. Well, I've got service again, and I'm back on hold. And then hopefully by the time I finish my lunch, I'll get through to somebody. And if I don't, then I think I'll probably just have to abandon this plan. Otherwise I'm going to run out of daylight. I got my reservation changed. I was all set to go. Starting to boogie along to make up some time. And I just rolled my ankle. So I'm pretty sure my hike is over. This sucks. So I'm going to have to, I think, hobble my way to, I don't know, probably Cascapedia tomorrow. And then see if there's some kind of park shuttle or some way to get back to civilization somehow. And then sort it out from there. Yep, it was going pretty decent. And just like that, she's gone. Not exactly sure what the point of these random stairs are, but there's been a couple of them. I don't know, this trail doesn't seem any particularly different than anywhere else. Not sure why they'd bother putting in stairs, but it's interesting. Changes up the scenery. Whew, I'm on the top of something again. Not sure what, but there's a nice view. I guess that means this is the viewpoint. I think I'm going to be like 4 feet taller to get the view. Sort of overgrown a bit, but I can just see it, and it is pretty nice. That was one of the climbs. I don't know. It was a climb. I think there might be one more or two more today. And then I'm going to the Refuge de la Massage. So getting close. I guess I was looking in the wrong direction. I think I found the viewpoint. I think I'm looking at my last hill of the day. I should have to go down this and then up that. And then just down on the other side somewhere should be a bed. That's what I'm hoping. So close. It's been a long day. It's 6:45. This has definitely been my latest day into camp, I think. Yeah, it must be, because I've been into camp pretty early every day. I think I left at 8. I wasted at least an hour and a half trying to change my reservation for tomorrow night, which I was successful, so that's good. And now just hopefully I can time it so the little convenience store thingy at Cascapedia will be open while I'm hanging out there, because it sounds like it's only random that there's somebody there, which is very bizarre, but whoever works there must have a job doing something else, so they only randomly sell stuff. And I'm just wandering down to my next shelter. I'm gonna clean up, go to bed, and I think tomorrow morning I'm gonna try to start real early so I can get to Cascapedia as early as I can, because I want to have a shower and have to charge everything.